Hey y'all, come with me for part 2 of my walking tour in Singapore as I experience the city, see the Chinese New Year drone show, and experience the nightlife. So this is a hawker station right here? A hawker center. Ah.
So this is where you come to get cheap meals.
Yeah.
And it's different types of food. It's huge. And if you want to get a seat, you have to like claim your spot.
Gotcha. Look at this beautiful building. Beautiful buildings on this beautiful street.
And I was like, girl. This straight. But yeah, this is a Moy Street.
Uh-huh.
Also a hawker center is over here. It's 3 stories.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is also a hawker center.
Right here?
Yeah, but
it's closed.
Because this one's full Chinese.
Oh, okay.
So it's always closed every Chinese New Year.
Gotcha. Look at this crowd. Okay. I'm gonna have to put my camera away to get through here.
No, it's fine. Yeah, you know you will.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's better to just watch from here.
Yeah, I think it's better to watch from here. We can still see it.
Yeah.
We might just have to forego our umbrellas.
Yeah, they're like scattering.
Oh, it is heavy.
You think we should go a little closer to that rail? Because people are like running in this.
Because they're running away.
Yeah. I can't believe they're still doing the drone show though.
Listen, they spent money. Drones can handle rain though, that's why.
In Korea, they would have canceled it.
Yeah, hands down. But in Singapore, if they start, they're not going to turn it. At least you're able to get most of the drone show.
Yeah.
I can't have my camera on.
This is the first one I could actually tell what it was.
Me too.
The others I was like, oh.
I don't know what's going on.
So because of the weather, they're taking it down. It's raining and we're soaked. My feet are soaked. But my hair didn't mess up.
The hair stayed good.
The hair is really
And that's cute. That was
search over here, turn up, and we'll move you over to the bar. Hey, how are you? Hello. I'm excited. Scotch pineapple chocolate.
Okay. Hey, thank you.
you.
And you'll find like
Cheers to a great time in Singapore. Do you like it?
I told you it's good. This thing moved. It was supposed to be in the middle.
You don't know the name of it? Just that it's 30%?
Yeah, I forgot. I just knew the percentage.
True alcoholic right there. Mine is called the Fedora something. And then you got the mocktail Fedora something. Floridora. How's your mocktail?
girl.
Thank you. This looks good.
I'm black and white.
Just know this little.
That's the same one. So cute.